A spacewalk, or extravehicular activity, is when an astronaut leaves a spacecraft to perform tasks outside in space. These walks are essential for repairing equipment, conducting experiments, assembling parts of the International Space Station, or testing new tools and technology. To prepare, astronauts undergo rigorous training, practicing in a Neutral Buoyancy Lab, a large pool simulating weightlessness, to get accustomed to moving in a spacesuit and performing specific tasks. Mission Control on Earth plans each step in detail, including all required tools and the tasks themselves. Astronauts wear a specialized suit called an Extravehicular Mobility Unit, or EMU, which keeps them alive and protects them from the dangers of space. The EMU is custom-fitted, with layers for insulation, pressurization, and protection against debris and radiation. It includes a life support system to provide oxygen, remove carbon dioxide, and control temperature. A propulsion unit called SAFER is attached to the suit's backpack to help the astronaut return to the spacecraft if they accidentally drift away. Getting into the suit is a precise process. The EMU consists of a torso, helmet, gloves, and boots, and astronauts must pre-breathe pure oxygen to avoid decompression sickness, or the bends, which happens when gases in the blood form bubbles due to sudden pressure changes. Spacewalks begin in an airlock, a small chamber on the spacecraft. The airlock can be sealed and depressurized to match the vacuum of space. Once the pressure inside is equal to space, astronauts open the hatch and float outside. Moving and working in space is challenging due to the lack of gravity and friction. Astronauts carefully pull themselves along using handrails on the spacecraft's exterior. Specialized tools allow them to perform tasks such as installing equipment, making repairs, or conducting scientific research. They usually work in pairs, coordinating so one astronaut performs tasks while the other assists. A typical spacewalk lasts between 5 and 8 hours, depending on the available oxygen and battery life in the suit. Ground Control on Earth monitors each astronaut's life support levels, including oxygen and temperature, and maintains constant communication to provide guidance or updates as needed. The temperature in space varies dramatically, from extreme cold in shadows to intense heat in sunlight. The EMU has a temperature control system that circulates water around the astronaut's body to help keep a stable temperature. After completing the tasks, astronauts return to the airlock, where the hatch is closed, and the chamber is gradually repressurized to match the spacecraft. Inside, astronauts carefully remove the spacesuit, with each part inspected. Following the walk, astronauts debrief with Mission Control to discuss accomplishments and any encountered issues, which helps improve future spacewalks. In summary, spacewalks require careful preparation, specialized life-supporting spacesuits, safety tethers, and constant support from Mission Control. They allow astronauts to perform essential repairs, assemble parts, and conduct science in space, helping maintain and advance space missions. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, comment, and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell so you never miss a new video.